So let us continue with basics. This is basics part 9. Basics part 9 of geometry. So many of them many of them got the fear of doing geometry. Geometry is very simple. I think geometry is one of the easiest subject in mathematics, provided you should know certain laws, that means theorems and that all. Today I am going to explain about basics in geometry. So many times we have discussed parallel lines, alternate angles, corresponding angles, that earlier classes I have discussed. So now let me give brief introduction about some other problem, some other new terms. What is median? Median. What is meant by median? Median. Median is nothing but A, B, C. The line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So say this is 10 centimeters. So this is 5, this is 5. So AD, the line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite. So AD is the median. Line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So there will be 3 medians. Where all the medians meet, that is called centroid. So it is denoted by G. That's it. Very simple. So median is over. Altitude. Altitude is nothing but altitude. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. It need not be the midpoint. The perpendicular means AD is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Altitude, that is called altitude. Altitude is nothing but the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. So here there will be 3 altitudes. So where all the altitudes meet, that is called orthocenter. So it is clear, orthocenter. This is centroid. This is orthocenter. Next, orthocenter is over, medians are over. Next, angle bisector. And that there are so many various forms are there, circumcenter, incenter, that also we'll be discussing. But now our main intention is to learn the basics, new terms, what is there in geometry. Median, that is clear, line segment drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. It is a perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. So orthocenter, centroid is over. Next, bisector of an angle. Once again I am explaining bisector. So many problems we have discussed. What is by bisector means dividing the angle into 2 equal parts. So it is 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Dividing a ray which divides an angle into 2 equal parts. This is PQR. Yes, PS is a ray. That ray is dividing the angle into 2 equal parts. So PS is the bisector of RPQ. So middle letter we have to see RPQ. R middle letter is PQ. So bisector, how will you write this angle? RPS is equal to 30 degrees, like that. Bisector is also over. The same way, can you write this one? QPS or SQP, both are same. You can write SPQ or QPS, both are 30 degrees. So bisector term is also over. Medians I have discussed, altitudes I have discussed. Next, perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, the word itself is suggesting perpendicular as well as bisector. AB, a line which divide the segment into two equal parts and also perpendicular. That means from here to here it is 5 centimeter. From here to here also 5 centimeters. A line which is perpendicular to the given segment and also bisects. Bisects means dividing it into equal parts. That is called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular as well as bisects. So it is called perpendicular bisector. A line which is perpendicular to the segment and also dividing the segment into two equal parts is called perpendicular bisector. Next, perpendicular bisector, median you learned, altitude. Next, circumcenter, incenter, those things I think we can learn in 7th standard, nothing to worry. Here we need to concentrate on basics. What is perpendicular bisector, what is angle bisector, median, centroid. Now let me give brief introduction about circle. Circle means center will be there, that is O. Next, in a circle so many radii we can draw, but the biggest radii, you can say that in a circle there are number of radii you can draw, which they are all equal, 5, 5. Wherever you mark it, it is 5, 5, 5, 5 radii. So line segment passing through the center of the circle is nothing but diameter. Diameter means nothing but it is a line segment passing through, it is a line segment passing through the center of circle. So the AB is 5. So if this is 5, this is 5. Total length is 10. If radii is 5, radius is 5, diameter is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, how many diameters can be drawn? Infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a circle like this, passing through the center. See here, infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a circle. What is chord? Chord is a line segment not passing through the center like this. Mark 2 points which are not passing through the center. A chord is nothing but a line segment drawn on any 2 points on the circle. Line segment, this is a line segment drawn on a circle like this. PQ is over RS. This is the chord RS, this is the chord PQ, but they are not diameter. Line segment which are not passing through the, you can say like this, line segments which are not passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter, is called a chord. Chord is nothing but, what is chord? It is a line segment not passing through the center of the circle. So if it passes through the center of the circle, then it is called a diameter, right? Next, chord diameter is over. Next, secant. Secant and tangent. Secant means a line which is intersecting the circle at 2 points. Secant is nothing but a line which intersects the circle at 2 points. That is called a secant. Secant is a line which intersects the circle at 2 points. Tangent. T-A-N-G-E-N-T. Tangent. Tangent is a line which touches the circle exactly at 1 point. That means here like this. So here L is touching the circle exactly at 1 point. Then this is called a secant of the circle. It is called a tangent of the circle. Tangent means a line which touches the circle exactly at one point. That is called tangent. Secant means a line which intersects the circle at 2 points is secant of a circle. Secant, tangent, radius, chord. I've explained diameter. I've explained. That's it. Next one. So one more last one. Area of circle, that all comes under mensuration. So sector also, last part I will explain. Sector. This comes under mensuration plus geometry. Sector is nothing but it is bounded by two radii. Radii means this one, R, and also arc of the circle. Radii is nothing but, sector is nothing but it is bounded by two radii and an arc of a circle. It is called sector. Sector means this one, this region. This is called the sector. Next, another one, last concept. Segment. Segment of circle means a chord. Chord is nothing but it is a line segment which intersects the circle at two different points, but not passing through the center of the circle, like this. If it passes through the center of circle, then it is called diameter. So here segment means segment means the chord which divides the circle into two equal parts. I'm sorry, chord is nothing but now I'm going to explain. This is segment of a circle. What is segment of a circle means? A chord which divides the circle into two parts, not equal, two parts. This is one part, this is another part. So each part is called segment of a circle. Now I use the word equal, that is not equal, it is two parts, not equal parts. Segment of a circle. Segment means a chord which divides the circle into two parts. Each part is called a segment. One is minor segment, one is major segment. Minor means small one, major means largest part. So that's it. Semicircle means you know very well. Semi means half. That means like this. Semicircle. Instead of full circle, it is half circle. So semicircle, sector, segment of a circle, tangent, secant, median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector, line segment, areas. So many things we have discussed. Areas also we have discussed. So with this, geometry introduction is completed. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Bye.